Hi guys!
Hello.
Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna play Greedy Granny!
Shh! You're gonna wake her up.
Today we're gonna play Greedy Granny. We need to take turns spinning this and taking a biscuit from Greedy Granny.
Okay.
And trying to not wake her up. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
No! You go first. Alright! You got into the purple one, so you need to put a biscuit if you have one, but you don't have one, and you have to press the button twice. Are you ready? Now it's my turn. I need to take one biscuit, and now I have to press the button once. Woo! She's still sleeping. Okay, now it's your turn. Amy's going to play. Muy bien. Ahora pisa el botón. Press the button.
Amy.
Hooray!
Oh no! She woke up. Oh,
Oh.
you lost your turn. Here I go. Take this one here.
Yes.
And I need to press the button once. And you press the button once. How lucky. Now it's my turn. Oh, I need to take one. Yes, one. Put one back. And I need to press the button twice. 1, 2. One biscuit from someone else. So, but you can take it. And you don't press it. Now it's my turn. I need to get one back. But I don't have any. And I have to press the button twice. That's your turn. Finish hard. Yeah. Take one and you press the button twice. Ah!
Oh no!
I know. Good night. Night night.
Okay, it's my turn now. Oh, I need to press the button 3 times. And I don't get to pick any biscuits. 1, 2, 3. That's Valeria's turn. You press the button twice and you pick one. Wow, that was quick. Oh, I get to pick one biscuit and I press the button twice. 1, 2. Ah!
I know.
Oh no!
Night. Each one of us awoke Granny.
No! And none of us have completed the biscuits.
What's the
Because we need to complete each one of the biscuits in our possession. And we haven't.
Yeah, and I have the most because I only have one and everyone else is 0. So we're gonna have more turns.
Press the button. You take one biscuit and you press the button once. You have 2 biscuits. Okay. Now it's my turn. Is it green or purple? Purple. I get to press the button twice and I don't pick any biscuits. Valeria, it's your turn. You pick one and you press the button twice. Oh, you have 3 different biscuits. You're only missing the pretzel. Okay, now you have to press the button twice. How lucky! Again, purple. I always get purple. Twice. Oh no!
Night, Granny.
Good morning. Valeria has 3 biscuits. She's only missing the pretzel. If she gets a pretzel, she wins. It's your turn. Oh, you need to return 1 biscuit.
Yay!
And you press the button 3 times.
I need milk.
3 times. Wow, she didn't wake up. Purple again. Twice. 1, 2. Whew. Valeria. Purple, you need to return 1 and press the button once. Okay, now it's my turn. I need to get 1 biscuit. Sila to. I press the button twice. 1, 2. Oh, you get to pick 1. And you press the button twice.
Good morning, Granny. Night, Granny.
Wait. It's your turn. You get to pick 1. And you press the button twice. Very good. I get to pick 1 and press the button twice. Now it's your turn. Come on. You get 1 and you press the button once. Oh, you have 3 biscuits. Oh, she didn't wake up. I get to pick 1. I get the pretzel. And I will press the button once. It's your turn, Valeria. Oh, you have to return 1 and you press the button twice. Oh, you return them all. Oh no! That's my turn.
Night, Granny.
Oh, I don't get to play this time. Come on. You pick 1 and you press the button twice. I pick 1 and I press the button twice. Now I have 3 and I only need the red one. Come on, Valeria. It's your turn. You get to pick 1 and you press the button 3 times. Wow! You press them so fast. It's my turn now. I get to pick 1 and I need to press the button twice. If she doesn't wake up, I win. 1, 2, yes! I won!
Awesome!
I have all the biscuits! Yay! High five! High five! Down low!